Hello everyone! After so many years of working on these machines, there's one thing we've learned. Most problems aren't always what they seem. The motor pulse issue on a Dyson V15 occurs when the motor repeatedly speeds up and slows down instead of running continuously. Simply put, the vacuum detects that the airflow isn't normal and reduces power to protect the motor. Not long ago, one customer told me the vacuum runs for a few seconds and then loses suction, while another said the motor keeps speeding up and slowing down over and over. The first thing we explain to customers is that this behavior almost never means the motor is damaged. Most of the time, it's a sign that something is restricting the airflow. The first things we usually check are the filter, dustbin, wand, and air passages. It's very common to find hair, fine dust, or debris partially blocking the system. As one of our technicians likes to say, if the Dyson can't breathe properly, it'll start pulsing the motor to protect itself. If everything is clean, we also make sure the filter is completely dry after washing and that all the parts are installed correctly. Some customers tell us the problem started right after cleaning the filter or after vacuuming large amounts of fine dust, both of which can affect airflow. According to Dyson, pulsing operation is typically caused by a restriction in the airflow. The company recommends checking for blockages, cleaning the filter, and making sure all attachments and components are properly installed. At this time, there is no known widespread manufacturing defect associated with this issue.